give a damn about a hater when I feel like it.
It's Gora's kitchen. Hey, yeah, it's Gora's kitchen. What's worse? And in Gora's kitchen, I'm going to be teaching you how to make Nigerian diet. So we have our bowl for mixing flour, our sugar, our milk flavor, our plates for beating the eggs too. And we have some groundnut oil, pepper, and onion. So technically, first things first, I'm going to be pouring. Actually, there's no amount of flour to use. It depends on how many people that you want to feed. I'm not really a kitchen type of person, but I'm very lucky to be watching this video because you're learning from a pro. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so next up, we're going to be putting our onion inside here. So I can start mixing anyways and stuff. So we're going to be adding sugar. Maybe, I don't know. Those are all of them into one because they are hearing this in the kitchen. So guys, are you excited for my cooking class? I feel like they are more confused. They don't know what's happening.
Yeah, we don't know. That is very much.
So just say hello to the people so that
God bless you, everybody.
I don't know why, honestly, I don't know why egg is added, but anything that is being like, you know, all this bakery stuff, egg. Hey, we made a mistake. Oh, I not beat the egg before adding it. And I was looking at so I'm going to beat it inside here. Remember, this is not a cooking channel, so it doesn't have to be perfect. This is me trying that diet, okay? It's first thing that you plan that from here, you get out of this video. Did you hear me? So, up next, I'm going to prepare my frying pan. So, maybe add a little small groundnut oil. This is literally the first attempt, and people said it was looking like an andomimoy, but it tastes better than it looks, sha. And my sister took over, started to fry it because my strength finished. So who knew making ordinary diet would take this much stress? Alright guys, so now we have the moment of review. So we need a review.
Smells nice though.
Thank you.
You know I ain't fucking like for this. The egg, I can feel it. It's yummy.
Okay, so from 1 to 10, what will you give us?
8, which is nice.
Oh, that is nice. Like, dude, like 8 is okay. Hello, ma'am. So, do you love pancakes?
Yes.
So, would you want to taste and give us a good review? Okay,
I like the taste. And it smells nice.
Yay! So, from 1 to 10.
Let me give you 9.
Yes, girl!
How did that enter your mouth?
Wow, from 1 to 10, give us a review.
7.
Okay, we got 1 to 7. Like, I've gotten 8, I've gotten 9, so 7 is 7. Oh my god. I'm not even exaggerating, this tastes so good. That is it for this week's video. It was a good time, even though my sister took over because I'm a lazy ass bitch.
Not today, not tomorrow, get out my way, please, I'm trying to get paid.